Living on borrowed time, understanding an English idiom. Hello and welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English phrase, on borrowed time. This idiom is widely used in English-speaking cultures, and understanding it can really help you grasp the nuances of the language. So, if you've ever stumbled upon this phrase and wondered what it means, you're in the right place. Let's get started. The phrase, on borrowed time, refers to a situation where someone or something continues to exist or operate in a temporary state, especially when an end or failure seems imminent. It's like using something that isn't yours. You have to return it eventually. In the context of life or situations, it means that the continuation is only possible due to an unusual or extended grace period, which could end at any moment. This idiom's origins are somewhat murky, but it's thought to have been used for centuries. It reflects the universal concept of mortality and the temporary nature of human achievements and possessions. On borrowed time can be used in various contexts, from health-related discussions, where someone has outlived a dire prognosis, to technology, where a device is operating beyond its expected lifespan, or even in business, where a company manages to stay afloat despite financial difficulties. To help you understand how to use on borrowed time, let's look at some examples. After the doctor's grim diagnosis, he felt like he was living on borrowed time. That old car has been running on borrowed time. I'm surprised it hasn't broken down yet. Given the financial losses this quarter, it's clear our project is operating on borrowed time. Understanding synonyms and related phrases can broaden your vocabulary and help you express the same idea in different ways. Some synonyms for on borrowed time include living on the edge, in the 11th hour, under a reprieve. These phrases convey a similar sense of temporary reprieve from an inevitable end. The phrase, on borrowed time, offers a poignant reminder of the impermanence of life and situations. It's a powerful expression that can add depth to your conversations and writing in English. We hope this video has helped clarify its meaning and usage for you. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video. Happy learning!